Mr. Sarthak, how should we do the next question? This question, C part.
Yes, sir. So the length is 20 centimeters and the breadth is 14 centimeters. So the area of rectangle will be 280 centimeters square, and the area of circle will be pi r square. So it will be 3.14 into 4, so 12.56 centimeters square. And the area of the shaded region will be 280 minus 12.56, so 267.44 centimeters square.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
No, sir.
Which part you haven't understood?
So the radius,
Okay. What will be the area of rectangle?
so
Mr.
L
Satya.
into B.
L into B. What is L?
Uh, L is 14 and B is 20.
No, this is
Sorry,
the
sorry.
length. This is
Yeah,
the
sorry,
length.
sorry.
This will be
Yes,
20.
20 into 14.
20 into 14. Are we clear till here?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you look at the question, radius of each quarter circle, this 1, 2, 3, 4, basically these are quarter circles. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So basically what Mr. Sarthak is saying is, ki, sir, this is how these circles look like. So this would be 1. You can say that this is 1 and this shape is 2. This shape, am I correct?
No, sir, 2 will be below.
2 will be below. Okay, let me call this 2. This would be 3 and this would be 4. Am I correct now, Satya?
Yeah.
Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
So what Mr. Sarthak is suggesting is, ki, sir, these four quarters, basically they are making one circle. Mr. Sarthak, this is what you are suggesting?
Yes, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So what Mr. Sarthak is suggesting is that basically if you have a radius of this circle, radius of each quarter circle is equal to radius of the circle. This radius is given to be 2 centimeter. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Satya, what will be the area of the circle?
So pi into 2 square.
Pi into 2 square. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is why what Mr. Sarthak is saying is that if you want the area of the shaded portion, if you want the area of the shaded portion, all that you need to do is from the area of the rectangle, just subtract the area of the circle, which is 4 pi. And then you can put the value of pi to be 22 by 7 and then you can calculate the final answer. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So 14 to the 280 minus 4, I assume the value of pi to be 3.14. So this will be 280 minus 4 into 3.14, 12.56 minus 280. So my final answer would be 267.44 centimeter square. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubts still?
No doubt, sir.
So once we understand the you know the the formula of basic figures, then we can have all kind of permutation and combination, and we can make questions of our own. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.